Welcome back to Tacoma Report. When you go out to eat, you shouldn't have to worry about getting sick. Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department's Food and Community Safety Program works to make sure you don't have to. They're at work every day inspecting food establishments across the county to help provide a safe dining experience for you and your family. Here to tell us more is Carolyn Bassett. Good morning, Carolyn.
Good morning.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So, Carolyn, can you tell our viewers about restaurant inspection, how often you inspect food service establishments, and what you look for during the inspection?
Sure. So we inspect every place in Pierce County that either sells or provides food to the public. Places like grocery stores, restaurants, even schools. We have about 3,800 permitted facilities in our county, and we do between 7,000 and 8,000 inspections per year. So each place gets seen on average 2 to 3 times. When we do an inspection, we want to look at the entire facility. We want to make sure that where the food is being made, it can be made safely. We want to watch how the food workers are handling the food and look for things that could possibly make people sick. So we watch to make sure that nobody's touching food with their bare hands, that employees are washing their hands when they should be, and that nobody's working when they're sick. We also want to make sure that the equipment is working properly. So we'll take temperatures to make sure that the food is staying hot enough or that the cold food is staying cold enough, and also making sure that nothing's left out at room temperature. And then we also want to be available to provide education. So answer any questions that the food workers or the managers might have and provide suggestions on how they can make their processes safer.
Awesome. So how can people learn more about a restaurant's food safety history?
Yeah, so you can find the most recent inspection report for any permitted food establishment in Pierce County on our website. That's tpchd.org/food inspections. From there, you can search for any facility either by name or by address. And when you find the place you're looking for, you can open up a copy of the actual inspection report. So it won't be a vague description of what happens. You'll see exactly what the inspector wrote based on their observations.
Okay, perfect.
From there, you can also sign up to receive notification by email anytime we close a food establishment in Pierce County. And there's many reasons why a food establishment could be closed. Maybe they don't have hot water, or their refrigeration isn't working, or in some cases people have gotten sick, and so we need to go in and help them change processes so nobody else gets sick.
Okay, awesome. And so can you tell our viewers the number of inspectors and just elaborate a little bit more on the things they do?
Yeah, so when we're fully staffed, we have 14 field staff, and they do everything from pre-opening inspections for new facilities, change of ownership inspections to make sure that the facility can operate safely. They do the routine inspections we talked about. They also do temporary event inspections. So anytime there's a fair or a festival or a holiday bazaar, the inspectors will go out and make sure the food is safe. They follow up on every complaint we get about a food establishment, and they investigate every illness notification that we get. After the inspectors, we also have 4 technical leads, and they're there to support the field staff while they're out doing the work. If they see things that don't make sense, or if they have to close somebody, or if they have facilities that have repeated violations, they support them in that.
Okay. And then one final question. How can viewers get more information about improvements to food safety rating information?
Yeah, so even though the inspection reports are online, we're looking for a way to make the information more easily accessible and easier to understand. And there's a lot of different ways out there to share information, possibly a mapping system or a grading system like you've seen in other counties. We're in the very, very beginning stages. It's kind of a long process, so it's not something you're going to see in restaurants tomorrow, but we wanted to start having the conversation with business owners and with the public to see if what we're doing for Pierce County is what's right for Pierce County. Okay. We do want public input, so if you're interested in providing feedback or receiving updates on our progress, you can sign up at tpchd.org/notify.
Perfect. Well, Carolyn, I have to say on behalf of myself and our viewers, thank you for everything that your office is doing. I think it makes the community feel safer in knowing that these kind of processes are in place to ensure that when we go out to eat, we don't have to worry about getting sick. So thank you very much. Appreciate it. And we hope you'll come back to the show.
Of course. Thank you.
All right. Food safety rating systems exist in many areas of the country, and Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department is exploring what would work well in Pierce County. It's part of the Health Department's ongoing effort to make food safety standards clear and easy to understand for anyone who eats in Pierce County. Learn more at the health department's website. When we come back from the break, we've got a fun story about how Tacoma Traditions is helping out Mother Nature. Stay with us.